Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Now again 11 minus 11 is equal to also 0. Now 0 multiplies 0 is equal to 0. But this answer is completely wrong. This answer is not correct. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. P means first priority is parenthesis, E means second priority is exponents, M means third priority is multiplication, and D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So multiplication and division both have equal priority, and addition and subtraction both have also equal priority. Okay. So in this question, one subtraction, one multiplication, and then one subtraction. So according to the rule, first priority in this question is multiplication. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay. So now 10 minus multiply 10 minus 11 is equal to 110 minus 11. Okay. Now here is one subtraction and here is one subtraction. So we have to solve this from left to right. Okay. So solve this part. 10 minus 110 is equal to minus 100 minus 11. Okay. Now minus 100 minus 11 is equal to minus 111. So minus 111 is the correct answer. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.